I'm going to talk about the woman who secretly duplicated her boss's investment strategy and amassed a $9 million fortune. Well, this is a story that's more than meets the eye. It's about a woman who had an idea and ran with it, and now she's sitting on a $9 million fortune, all from just one investment strategy. So I want to share with you some of the things that she did in order to reach her success. This might be something. Sylvia Bloom was a secret millionaire who lived modestly and took the subway to her job as a secretary at the All Street law firm. She was in charge of managing her boss's stock investments, so she watched carefully his decision-making and replicated them with smaller investments of her own. Bloom worked for the same law firm for another 67 years before passing away in 2016. Over time, she made billions of dollars that was divided among 3 brokerage firms and 11 banking institutions. Bloom was thrifty, but not cheap. She, for example, dressed nicely and even owned a fur coat. Her fur coat, on the other hand, was a reasonably priced Persian lamb rather than a high-priced ermine. Sylvia was worth $9 million and she died in 2016 and left $8.2 million to charity. Bloom's fortune was revealed to even her closest family and friends after her death. Ms. Bloom has spent her entire life reinvesting dividends rather than spending the profits from her investments. Sylvia and her firefighter husband might have easily lived on Park Avenue, but instead decided to live in a rent-controlled apartment. Sylvia Bloom's story is strange, in part because withheld profits over a lifetime are difficult to achieve. Perhaps her attitude was impacted by the brand-new firm she started working for in 1946. Gray started to work for the law firm Cleary, Gottlieb, Steen and Hamilton for 67 years, and it went on to be one of the most reputable law firms in the world. The New York law firm has become well known for advising countries that are having difficulty paying their debts. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week.